Or not.
Okay. We are live! Trucks. Richmond. Race time. Did some practice. Not going to get any faster. So I'm just going for it. Andrew's here. Texas tea, Texas toast, Texas tea bag. So, not sure if he'll be in the same race as I. John is doing something else. Baz is doing something else. And Sweet Lou is doing something else. So we're just going to go out and give it the old college try. Yep.
Figured out what I was missing. It was my OBS. Yeah, I do not believe we are in the same race.
Okay. Oh no, I'm the 4 truck.
I don't even. I think I'm the 11th.
Strength of field is 0.9.
Man, mine I think is 17 something.
Good for you.
Usually it's like 2,000. But then,
Track temperature's falling. It's now 80 Fahrenheit.
That's also when there's not 190 something people registered.
Car high. Still there. Still there. It's still there. B3. The leader has just done a 25.4. Clear high. That's a new fastest lap for Monroe. 22.6. Car outside. Clear outside. B2. Car high. The leader has just done a 22.9. That was a 22.4. Still there. Clear high.
Second quick. And I ran my fastest lap
B3.
ever at this track. All right. Qualify. All right. Sweet baby Jesus.
Pit exit's clear. Push. Okay, Dale. We've got 2 laps. Let's get this done.
By the steering wheel.
Hold position. You've just done a 22.4. The track temperature's decreasing. It's now 80 Fahrenheit.
Come on, go, go, go.
The guy behind has just done
All right, 22.3. So that is definitely my fastest lap. All right, so far I'm in outside pole.
I was like, why could you not hear me? I was muted.
Hi. Just Andrew and I.
You racing?
So far I'm qualified second.
Jeez.
But there's still... Well, there's 24 cars on my race. It looks like 25.
Oh, did Andrew tell you about my pedals?
No.
I had to order a new USB adapter.
Oh, no.
So, because I was telling him, yesterday when I plugged them in, it read the pedals, and then what's it called? And then it just stopped reading them.
No shit.
Because I went to update it, and now every time I plug in the USB, and I even tried it on Andrew's computer, it won't recognize it. So I ordered I ordered a new one. We'll see how that goes.
Oh, third quick. Can you close that door?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks. Gonna need it. I don't know. Minute and a half left to qualifying. Still holding in third. 4, 6, 8. Looks like about 8 more people that still haven't qualified. Andrew, did you qualify? Hello?
Yeah, I ran a 22.5.
Wow. I went faster than you.
Yeah, because I hit the wall. Because my fastest lap was a 22.4.
All right, about 30 seconds left to qualifying. So hopefully I can hold the third position, get some bonus points for qualifying. Oh, yeah. Woo, woo.
Wait, you got second?
Third.
Qualified third.
Ooh.
So far, 10 seconds left.
So that's
5,
6
10.
points.
No, 15 points.
Oh, it's 5 per
I think so.
position?
That's the end of the session.
Yep, all right.
Yeah.
Third. Booyah. Fuck yeah, dude. Grid. And first to grid. Yep. Yeah, we are live. All right, shut the fucking lap time off.
Does your steering wheel go just insane without touching it?
No.
For some reason, mine like rocks back and forth in neutral.
Mic check.
Gotcha.
Thank you.
Guys, you can't let it on first lap. Just be patient here, please. Well, each other, try to get some green flag runs. Yeah, we got 16 drivers all within a second. Race gets boring if it's just caution lap after caution lap after caution lap. Watch turn 2 until your tires get warm.
.55 laps. The track temp is 81. The air temp is 78 Fahrenheit. Follow car number 11.
They're wrecking up here at the finish line here. Hurry up, 10. Spin around.
Ooh, had one disappear and one spin around in front of me. Daggone.
Daggone.
It's the pink lap.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Good looking truck one.
Wow. 21U just went away for a second.
All right, here we go. Coming to the green.
Okay, Dale, here we go. Green, green, green. Got a car high. Clear high. Got a full course caution. Watch out.
Check up.
We're under caution. Pits are closed. The race car's out. Line up single file behind car number 18.
That didn't take long.
Already got a caution.
Pits are open.
One lap down.
Safe car coming out of 4.
Andrew, are these single file restarts or double?
They're double.
Okay.
Is every race like this? Like, people does not race this track. This is the first time I've, like, been here, I guess, so I don't really know.
I've noticed when you
Full course
move
yellow.
away from
Pits are
the
open.
fixed races and get more people who are if they're downloading setups, it's a little bit better of a race.
I agree with that.
We're under caution. Pits closed.
They're a little more serious.
Where do you download your setups from?
I've got a subscription to Virtual Racing School.
How are those?
They're usually pretty good.
There's a guy who just wrecked himself,
They'll get
and
you
I
in
now
there,
have to let
especially if
him
you
by,
don't know
even
it
though the
like me.
caution came out when I was
have
past
no
him.
idea how to set up a race car, so I'll download it, put it in, try some practice laps, and then go from there.
All right, Dale, get ready.
You can win
Race will
with them.
resume at the end of this lap.
Not every time. You're not going to dominate every race, but you can win with them.
Yeah, I just want to be competitive with them because the open races are fun.
They're definitely competitive.
You're flickering pretty good.
I'm watching my latency. If it gets
You
bad, let me
pit
know.
on your caution or no?
No.
Okay.
We got the caution on lap 1.
If you're if you're still under
Green
yellow,
flag.
turn off fuel and
Yep.
only leave right sides.
Yeah. Well, I
Me too.
left all 4 tires on for now.
Oh, okay. All I was gonna say was if you turn off your left sides, you'll be fine. Your left one should not wear whatsoever. So you only need your right sides, and you'll actually make passes in the pit.
Okay, Dale, we're matching race pace. The leader has just done a 22.8. The guy behind has just done a 23.0. Fastest lap for Shaw, 22.8.
Yes.
The leader's just done a 22.5. That lap was a 22.6. The guy behind has just done a car down low. Hold your line. Hold your line. Still there. He's still there. Clear inside. P2. That lap was a 22.6. That last lap was a 22.7. The gap behind is now 0.8. The gap ahead is now 0.8.
Come on, get rolling.
The gap in front is now 1.1.
I save.
Your lap time was 23.0. Your lap time was at 22.9. The gap in front is now 1.2 seconds. That lap time was 23.1. Bennett, it's getting closer. The gap's now 1.2 seconds. You've just done a 23.1.
Come on,
Close
man.
caution,
You
be
got
careful.
me. Can't handle getting passed, huh?
No, I didn't mean to spun you out. You just checked up. I was crossing
Pace
you
car
over.
is out.
I
Line
let
up
you go
single
on purpose,
file
about to
behind
cross
car
you over.
number
Below
11.
you.
Pace car is
You
out.
just
Pits are
stopped going
closed.
off turn 2.
Right. Lap
No, I
21, still in second.
Full course yellow. Pits are open.
Dude,
If you let me by,
Sorry,
then
Chad.
why
I
would
was
you
hoping to
dump
give you more room there.
me? Why wouldn't you just check it up?
that's what I'm saying. I let you by. I was going to cross you over.
The lead car's
and
pitting.
You just stopped.
11, what are we doing, bud?
We got a traffic jam in turn 4 here.
Not sure what the fuck that was about.
What?
The leader just about stopped coming out of 2 on the caution lap.
Well, not doing anything. It still cost you 4X. I don't know why you'd want that.
Pits are open.
Exactly.
The leader is pitting now.
Leader went in the pits.
Did you follow him?
Nope.
Oh, you should have.
We don't know that.
Okay.
Everyone went in.
You said lap 21, and I thought maybe you would have gone with them.
You can't just check up off of 2 and not expect to get
So maybe
turn.
go in next lap you can just to get fresh tires and stay with the pack.
I don't know.
Guy's
What if I get
killing
the
me.
inside nine?
He cannot either finish his move,
We're under caution. Pits are closed.
or he's backing out at the last second.
Oh shit, how many folks stayed out?
Nobody. I think I'm screwed.
Yeah, did I just go from 3rd to 10th? Nobody picked?
God. I really use the caution right about now.
We're going green next time by.
Well, I got some bonus points for leading a lap.
$21, let me buy it. You can get black flag.
Green, green, green. Let's go. You're leading. Car low. Still there. He's still there. Yeah.
16
Still
really
there.
got, or kept himself
They're inside.
under me for those laps, and it really
Outside.
burned my tires
Clear high.
out.
Oh,
V5.
come on, man.
Car high. Clear outside. Okay, Dale, there's a car exiting the pits, heads up. V11. We're halfway home. We're okay on fuel. The guy in front is Monroe. Car low, clear low. That lap time was 23.2. P11.
My God.
Got a car low. He's still there. Clear low.
Wrecking on backstretch.
Got a car
Okay,
outside.
nice brakes.
Still there. You're clear outside. The gap to Monroe ahead is increasing. It's now 1.7. That was 23.6. Be careful, we've got a full course caution. Pace car is out. Line up single file behind car 09. Pace car is out. Pits are closed.
Okay, caution, I'm gonna go get me some feel goods.
Full course yellow. Pits are open.
I'm going in the pits.
Look out for the pit speed limit. Pit lane speed limit is 40 miles per hour.
Lucky dog going outside.
I knew that was gonna happen. I'm so annoyed. The one thing I hate about racing here is the too wide,
For area.
too
It's
wide
bitter.
racing on old tires, because no one wants to give up a spot, and then you end up wrecking each other because there's nowhere to go.
Pits are open.
You're not gonna
Was that you
leave
that
me?
flying last time?
All right, got 4 new feel goods. I only dropped back to 12th.
It's gonna be kind of loose when you go to restart because you have cold tires.
Yep. Just like the start of the race.
Pits are open.
I pitted under caution. That was good.
Okay, Dale, get ready. Race will resume at the end of this lap.
There goes the restart that I can't ever get back. I think I'm down on power.
Green flag, we're racing. P10. Car outside, clear high.
No clue how I drove like that.
P8. Okay, Dale, the next car is Halloween. Outside,
Competitive pass.
clear high. The gap to Halloween behind is now 0.3. P7. Your last lap time was at 22.8. Car high. Still there. Clear outside, 6th place. The gap to Monroe ahead is now 1.2.
Just gonna make sure he don't go fucking Dixie. Gotta be smooth.
The track temp's increasing. It's now 85 Fahrenheit. Wilson is now in the lead. E6, the gap to Monroe ahead is now 1.2 seconds.
Gotta be smooth.
Just done a 23.0.
Got in his head.
Car high. Hold your line.
It's going Brantley.
Still there. That lap was a 23.2. Clear high. Monroe is closing you down. The gap has come down to 0.3.
That was a disaster of a race.
Two to go. Car outside. You've just done a 23.4. He's still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Clear high.
White flag.
V4. Car outside. Still there. Hold your
Oh,
line.
I got dumped.
He's still there. You're clear outside.
Fuck yeah, dude! Woo-hoo!
What?
Third.
That's
Well done,
awesome.
Dale. Great drive. That's a podium.
Good race there, 12.
Yeah, hell of a run, 15. That was fun.
I'm gonna be honest, if those guys didn't wreck right there, I was coming for you, dude, but I got nervous.
Oh, that's a fucking win.
Yeah, I figured honestly he was kind of moved me.
So even though you missed
What's your
that
speed
first
limit in
pit
pits?
stop,
I'm
Yep.
trying to get safety rating
You
and
finished
rating at
third.
this point, but
Yep.
I'm gonna
I
stop
came
right here,
out-
so you should be good.
I went in 11th, I think, 10th or 11th, and came out in 9th, and then raced my way. There was a wreck, so I gained 2 spots, but then I passed the other cars up to 3rd,
awesome.
and the leader and the second place car are right in front of me.
Did you take a 2 or 4 tire pit
4.
stop?
4.
Wow.
Fuck yeah, dude. So it was the 4 car, qualified 3rd, finished 3rd. And
That's
I believe
awesome.
I led a couple laps under caution. Fuck yeah, dude. Okay, let's go to lap 28.
Yeah, I got caught out on the outside, and I should have just cleared this guy. but I didn't, and that was stupid of me.
Okay, so let's see what happened. Just a little nudge. That's just a racing deal. Oh.
Did I have any front nose damage? I had nose damage from the start because this guy disconnected, so the game made him drive on the restart as an AI, and then it backed him out.
Huh.
But going into the corner, I hit him because the AI brakes heavily. Do you want to see what caught me out at the end of the race?
Yeah, hold on. I'm watching a replay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I came into the pits in 12th. Then restarted on lap 39 in 9th. Oh.
Oh, man, that really is annoying. I couldn't do anything about it. The guy literally bounced off the wall and just turned me.
Yeah.
And I had it rolling backwards, but I had to get it to stop. And dude just killed me. So that's my first big wreck out of, what is it, 3 races I've done now here? And I still finished with 4 incident points after that. So I bet you my safety rating's gonna tank. Wow, I gained safety rating. So where did you finish last week?
8th. I think I started 9th, finished 8th.
And then Atlanta, do you remember or no?
No.
Well, it's because I was trying to see points-wise kind of where we sit.
I can forward you the points as of like this week after Circuit of the Americas.
I'll wait till everyone does this week and Bob updates it. You're gonna go do some laps in something else or no?
No. Just gonna finish watching the replay and that's it.
Okay. You like the truck so far?
Yeah, they're hard.
I'm excited for next week. But it's gonna be even harder on braking.
What's that?
Martinsville.
Oh, yeah.
Because we have Martinsville, or this coming week, then Bristol Dirt. And then we go to Talladega, then Dover, Darlington, Kansas, Texas, Charlotte, and then Gateway. Dude, what I find weird is that the Tour Series, or the Modified Series, runs more laps than the Truck Series does. For at least the fixed. But when it comes to open, Modifieds run 80 and the Trucks run 110.
Oh, I gotta remember to look at my tire wear. Oh, it doesn't matter because I had basically new tires.
Well, no, even though you had new tires, though, your wear, based off of the 2 races I did earlier, on like let's say maybe 20-ish or so laps should be 92 to 93 on your right front and 96 to 97 on your right rear.
Let's see, my right front's 94, and the rest are all 99 or 98. My right rear is 98.
And that was what was the distance from when you got them, or how many laps did you put on them?
15.
Okay, so you're pretty much on track. So like an extra 5 laps, you may have put on like another 2% of wear on the right front and maybe 1 on the right rear.
All right. I'm happy.
I thought when you messed up the pit, I didn't realize